So we just created a program for adding two numbers. Not only a normal program, but a user-friendly one. So let's just go through quickly what we did. Design mode is off. Click to add two numbers. That's a nice button. Clear instruction. I know what to do. Let me click. And then type a number. Let's go with 50 this time. Click OK. Type another number, 44. Click OK. The sum of two numbers is 94. Excellent. Nice. Clear instructions, clear labels. I as a user, you as a user, we know what everything was expected of us, what they wanted us to do. They wanted to type something, they wanted to click something, they were telling us what the sum was. Love it. But I think we can do better. So, let's try this again. I mean, yes, this was really nice, but we're in Microsoft Excel. We have all these cells which can be created into a table, which can be manipulated. We can create something, create a form, the layout of a form. Let's see. Let's get a new, oh, let me go back here. New Excel. And let's design something. Let's see. We could have type in a number. All right. Move that around. Type in a second number. Okay. And I could have them type the number here. So let me just put a little border there, a little border here. Good. So type in the numbers. Then I can put, so I'm using the Excel, right? I'm trying to design something that uses the Excel. And I'm still, of course, going to try to add the two numbers. So my thinking cap is on. I'm designing something. And then I could have the button, maybe. Insert command, active X control command button. Put that here, maybe. I need to change the name of it. Properties. It's now going to be command button. Add two nums. UF. User friendly. All right. Caption. Caption is important, remember? What do we want this button to say? Again, click here. Yeah, that would work. Click here to add the two numbers entered above. Oops, spelled that wrong. Right. X. Ooh, need to make my button larger. Ooh, okay, that's really long. Maybe I could change the text of it, right? I could have changed the text of it. I leave that to you to figure out. Put that there. Good. Right, what's missing? Oh, I need a label for my answer, for the result. The sum of two numbers is, and I could put the label here, a box for it. All right, that's using Excel. Okay, it's looking a little coming together. Now, let's try this out. So I need to now develop a tab, design mode. We need to go into programmer mode now. Programmer mode is on, and we are going to program this. So design mode on, double click on the button, and I'm just moving it around a bit so that I can see my Excel as well as my VBA. All right, let me put it back. Hold on. So I need to type, first of all, the beginning of my program. And the first thing I need to do is declare my variables. Num1 as integer, num2 as integer, sum as integer. Nice. Enter, press tab on the keyboard to indent. And now, first thing, of course, is the input. I need to get input first. And my input, I'm not using an input box this time. I'm using the cells from the Excel. So, num1 is going to be equal to that cell. What cell is that? That C2, right? C2 for the first number is C2. So num1 is going to equal to, now yes, it's a cell, but the command is range C2, close bracket, dot value. Press enter and do the same thing for num2. Num2 equal range, open bracket. All right, where's num2? Num2 is type second number in C4. Oops. C4, close quote, bracket, dot value, press enter. All right, so we have our num1. Num1 is taken from the Excel C4. C2. Num2 is taken from C4. Then we have to process. Processing should be the same. Ooh, my variable names. All right. Good. Now we need to output. We're not outputting on the message box. We want to output to the Excel. So over here where it has the sum of two numbers, is something should show up in that box. My answer should show up in that box. So when we were inputting, we put the variable name was equal to the cell. Because we want to put something in the cell this time, right? So the input took the value from the cell. This time we want to put something in the cell, so we're going to say range. Where we want to put that? That is C10. C10. All right, C10 dot value is going to be equal to sum. So we're going to put sum in the cell. All right. Let's try it out. So, programmer mode off. We're going to be testing. User mode on. All right. Let's first close up. Okay. Oh, we should save this. Did we save it? No. Save as macro enabled workbook, desktop. What do I want to save this as? Add to nums Excel form, right? Okay. All right. Looking good. What we want to do? We want to test it. We are testing. We are testing. User mode is on. Right. First of all, take off design mode. Click on, it says to click here to add two numbers. It typed in 0. How come? Oh, I have nothing typed in here. So I need to follow my own instructions. Type in a number. So let's type in a number 14 and 12. It works! Yay! Now, Of course, you can make this all look much prettier, right? Use basic formatting on in Excel, okay? Make this all look a little better. Whew, that's bright. Um, but you get the idea, right? I'm just going brighter. Okay, right. So let's just choose the blue. And you could change how this looks. I could change how the box looks. Let me change the one in the bottom here. Change the border line color. Let's make it yellow. All right. Okay. Well, I mean, okay. This is you design it to look better. Okay. And honestly, I think this button name is a little too long. You know what's missing? Maybe I should put in a title. I need a title here. Um, form to add to numbers. And put that mage and center across there. Make that larger, bold, maybe underline. Oops. All right, so we have a form to add to, oh gosh, look how I typed that. To add to numbers. A little better. And I want to change the name of this button. What's happening here? Ooh, do you see that 0 came up? Why did that come up? You know what happened? Remember, I added in this row. So when I did that, everything shifted down. So I need to check on my program. Things have changed. Anyways, let me finish designing it. Developer, design mode. Click on the button, go back to properties, and I'm going to change the button here. Calculate sum. Right. That's good. And remember, you can change the colors, change the colors of the button to whatever, right? I'm just going to choose something here. And of course, you could change what it looks like there as well. Make it a little smaller. That looks good. Okay, all right. I mean, you design it how you wish to. I'm just trying to do something quickly. All right, now we have to change this. This 0 is coming up here. That's the issue. Let's check that out. Double click on the button. Let me move this around so we can see our cell addresses now. Let's see. This is, oops, whoa. This is C3. C3, so num1 supposed to be C3. C5 was num2. And the sum is supposed to be in C11. All right. Good. Let's check that out. Get rid of this 0 here. Take off design mode. Did it do anything? I don't know. I need to change the numbers. Set 8 and 7 and click, and it did change. Yay! You know, one other thing I want to do is can make this centered. Okay, right. So I'm not gonna format anymore. Formatting, I'm leaving to you to do. You format and design how you want your form to look.